All right, let's take a look at shares of Shake Shack, up more than 35% in 3 months. One of the most heavily shorted stocks in the market, or at least it was. Chad Morganlander, Washington Crossing Advisors, Matt Maley, Miller Tabak. Chad, I say that because I would imagine that some of that 35% recent gain are shorts covering. The higher it goes, the more shorts cover. We'll see where it lands the next time that most shorted list comes out. Are you an owner of Shake Shack? Would you be? Do you want to be?
So we're a value investor. We would not be an owner in this one. This is more of a high flyer, high speculative type of company. They have about a $1.5 billion market cap. They have revenues of roughly about $450 million for 2018 and a PE multiple of 40. This is a smaller company with 150 stores. So investors have to look out 7 to 10 years for the prospects. The problem with this company, though, is that same-store sales have actually been declining year over year. So that's something of a concern. And it's a higher price point as opposed to McDonald's. So the price point for a burger here is about $10, where McDonald's is roughly $3. So we would be more attracted to maybe a growing dividend story like McDonald's and tend to shy away from this type of company.
Yeah, and I'm not sure. People will argue, Matt Maley. I don't know if the Shake Shack burger is 3 times better than McDonald's, but that's a different argument. How much of this big run do you think is short covering and thus will come to a close soon, or do you think we're at the beginning of a real turnaround for Shack?
Well, it's kind of a weird situation. It's funny, if I listen to my children, I'd buy it every day, all day, because they just absolutely love it. But they're not analysts, and we don't have an analyst on the stock. So I look at it at a technical basis. I mean, the stock did break above a double top level. It's 2017 highs of $40. That was very positive. And, of course, the short squeeze just shot it up to its 2016 highs. So it's now testing that kind of another resistance level. The problem is it is very overbought on a near-term basis. If you look at its RSI chart, either on a daily or even on a weekly basis, it's even more overbought. So it looks like it wants to pull back here. And as you mentioned, I mean, since that last time we saw the short interest come out in the middle of November, November 15th, the stock's up another 14%. So a lot of that fuel has been just short covering. So I think it's got to pull back from here. You know, I do have to say, on an intermediate term basis, that break of $40 is very positive. On its next dip, if it can hold that level, it'll be very positive for the stock. But if you do want to buy it, I would buy it on weakness rather than chase it up at these levels. Okay, well said, Matt Maley, Chad Morganlander. Thank you both. Shake Shack, nice little run lately. We'll see if it continues. Thanks for watching Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.